Hello everybody. Ghost this side, from Plugin to Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram tools into Termux on Android. So, you have to install this app from Play Store, and I'm adding the commands in the description. You have to copy each command on each line like I am doing in this video, so you have to watch complete video. After that you can install this repository without any issue. Let's install the Git now. Follow each step carefully. So, what this repository do is, it will automatically like the posts, it will follow the people, using the hashtag you are using to target profiles. It will automatically remove those following people who are not following you back on the Instagram. You must use this tool carefully because Instagram can ban you easily if you do this process very rapidly. So, this is how it works. You can watch my previous video on how you can use this Instagram tool. I hope you have learned about installing the Git. Now you can use any repository in future. Do like this video if you found it helpful and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.